This is gonna fix your Orbi. Hopefully this fixes all the stability. Hopefully this. Hey, it's Paul here, I'm the friendly reviewer. On this channel, we keep you up to date with the latest on the Netgear Orbi, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can watch more videos just like this one. In this video, I have a new firmware version for you, as well as a new piece of hardware, so let's get into it. The new firmware version is version 2.1.4.16. It's supposed to fix a slew of issues. The first of which, it's supposed to fix the Apple HomeKit connectivity, which I heard a lot of people said broke after the last release. It's also supposed to fix some other Wi-Fi disconnection issues with IoT, fix some wireless reboot and crash issues whenever the system's stressed, fix the issue where the guest Wi-Fi is isolated from multicast and broadcast traffic, an update for the OpenVPN certificate, and the last one that I heard about a lot, it's supposed to fix the boot issue with wired backhaul. Now before we jump too far ahead here, I did get some early feedback from some people complaining that this is not working for them with the wired backhaul, and they're having some issues and they had to reboot and it just wasn't working. So you might want to be a little bit cautious on this one, and it'll be interesting to hear more people's feedback on this. The second thing that I wanted to tell you about is that they've taken the router and the modem and they've smashed them together, and now there's an Orbi modem that you can get. So you can simplify your system. The reason why I think you'd want to do this is, one, it's a new modem, and two, the modems don't look the prettiest, and the Orbi looks pretty decent sitting on the shelf there. So you can get that all cleaned up and just one simple little piece of hardware on your shelf that looks good. So that's just going to give you a cleaner look. That's something that will be interesting to see how that turns out as that gets released really soon here. So this has been Paul with firmware version 2.1.4.16, as well as a new piece of hardware for the Netgear Orbi. Thank you for watching.